Hi Leos, welcome back. This is your special reading for the next 24 hours. So we will be picking few cards for your general energies, career situation and relationship. If you like this reading and if it resonates Leos, please like and comment. So we are picking cards for your present situation, your past, what are the obstacles you're facing, and what is the future outcome for you all, and few more cards for your situation, and these cards are for the future outcome. And Leos, I request you to watch this reading till the end, because at some point of this reading you will get the clarity you are expecting to see today. So let's start with this card here for your situation first. Three of Cups. So you are happy the way things are going. You're celebrating something, you're spending time with family or friends, and you are having a good time today. You're happy with your circumstance, and maybe for some of you, you have achieved something, or you have come out of some difficult situation and you are celebrating something, a new beginning, a new change, some positive things that have happened in your life. Some positive changes are coming for you. You can understand that, and you're happy with the way things are going today. So Leos, you have a lot of dreams and plans for yourself, but simply dreaming is not going to help you. You must work towards your dreams. You must make the efforts needed towards your dreams and plans. So, if you want to achieve something, you must make the efforts needed to achieve those dreams, because simply dreaming is not enough today, Leos. So, more cards. We have Hermit and we have Five of Cups. So, you are in a lot of thought, and maybe you are wishing that certain things were different, certain things went in a different way. You are worried about something of the past, but you need to understand that past is past. No matter what you worry or what you how hard you feel for those circumstances, or how sad you feel for those circumstances, you are not going to change anything, but you must take the lessons learned. So whatever you have learned from those past experience, you must take it. And today you are thinking about something. Maybe you are thinking about your future, or what about your goals and plans, what you need to do. So you have you know what is right for you, what will work for you, and you're moving towards your dreams and plans, but you need to do it in action. You may have your plans in your mind, but you must do it in action if you want to reach those dreams quickly. And you must look for opportunities right in your situation. So instead of brooding over what has been lost or what went wrong, if you see your present circumstances, there are good things right in front of you waiting to unfold for you. So you must embrace those opportunities and move towards your dreams and goals, instead of wishing that things were different or things went in a different way. So we will see more cards for your outcome. Magician and Seven of Wands. So you have a long way to go. You have a lot of struggles you need to face. But if you are confident, if you are confident enough, feeling inspired, you are definitely going to achieve. And that is what these cards are telling me. Leos, you have everything you need, all the skills and talents. So, if you are thinking of a circumstance in your career, you have everything you need right within yourself. And all you need is focus and have that concentration, pay attention, feel positive, have that positive intentions towards your dreams and goals. And though you may have some troubles on the way, you are definitely going to succeed because you will have that inspiration and confidence overwhelming you with positive energy. So you must always have positive intentions towards your life, towards your dreams, towards your plans. That is going to help you a very long way in your life, Leos. So, we will see more cards for your circumstances. We have Ace of Cups and one more card here, Emperor in reverse. So you will see beautiful changes coming for you in your circumstances. Something is changing, and you may feel a little confused over some choices that are coming for you. Maybe in your career, you may have a new opportunity. We have Ace of Cups here. So there is a new opportunity for you, or it may be a new person coming for you, a new love. Maybe you may feel a little overwhelmed what you need to do, or what is the right thing for you to do. But you need to understand that this may be part of your life, part of your destiny, the reason for this new person coming towards you, or a new job offer, something good. You may feel a little confused, sad, but if that is what you want, if this new offer is what you're looking for, or if this new love, a new person is what you're expecting, you must go towards that instead of thinking and worrying. Seeing your situation with eyes of the past is not going to help you today, Leos. So, the final two cards, the outcome for you today, Leos, it's Seven of Cups and Knight of Cups. So it is going to be someone interesting coming towards you, Leos. And it may be your dream person, all your dreams and plans, whatever you have for someone interesting. That person is definitely coming towards you, and you are going to find someone very interesting. And maybe for some of you, it may be a person from your past, or someone you missed dearly, a dear friend, someone you wish was back in your life. Maybe they are coming back. So it's an interesting visitor, unexpected visitor coming in your life, Leos. So that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I will see you next time. Bye, Leos.